You all know how much I love the Dollar Tree for crafting, right? But today we're going to be stepping into a different aisle, the one that has all of those fantastic cleaning products. That's right, Dollar Tree isn't just a crafter's haven, it's a hidden gem for cleaning supplies too. So buckle up, because in today's video I am going to talk to you about 25, I can't even do that 25 times, 25 Dollar Tree cleaning products, and I'm going to let you know if they are worth your hard-earned dollar. From sparkling surfaces to spotless floors, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly cleaning.
It all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh, baby.
Hello, my crafty friends, and welcome back. I'm Lisa, the DIY Diva. And like I said before, you all know how much I love the Dollar Tree for finding all kinds of really great crafting supplies that I can use to make some really original and very nice decor pieces for my home. But have you ever thought about Dollar Tree cleaning supplies? They have so many of them, and a lot of them work really well. So today I wanted to share 25 different Dollar Tree cleaning products and let you know whether they are yay or nay and how well they work. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, then hit the subscribe button. And if you want to do a little something extra, click the bell notification and you'll be alerted every time I have a new video coming out. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Dollar Tree cleaning product? I would love to know. Now, let the cleaning spree begin. And I'm going to have to start this out with my most favorite Dollar Tree cleaner, and that is the scrub-free glass cleaner. This glass cleaner works so well. It's awesome on all of your surfaces, but I really like it on mirrors and windows because it really is scrub-free. I can spray this onto my windows or my mirrors, and I can use a microfiber rag or a paper towel, and I can have streak-free shine on all of my mirrors and windows. So I would have to say that of all of the products, this is probably my favorite. So much so that I have two of them. I bought two of them on my last Dollar Tree outing. $1.25 for a 12-ounce bottle of cleaner is a great deal. Now, for the first time ever, I actually was able to find the Brillo Basics dish spray in my Dollar Tree. I have been looking for this and looking for this to try it out and see how awesome it works. People say that this is very similar to the Dawn Power Wash, and it also works really well for cleaning bathtubs and things like that. I do like the sprayer. It has a spray nozzle with a screen on it, so that's going to give you more of a foaming action. And this is a 10-ounce bottle of the cleaner for $1.25, which is way more affordable than the Dawn Power Wash. I think I liked using it in the bathtub just as much as I liked using it to spray treat my dishes before we put them into the dishwasher. So the Brillo Basics dish spray, definitely a thumbs up. If you can find it in your Dollar Tree, I would recommend it. Now, in another video that I had watched, somebody had said the Totally Awesome oven cleaner was amazing. So I bought some because it's a 32-ounce bottle of the cleaner. And maybe it's just because my stove is super dirty because I don't really pay attention to that. I know that's bad. But it didn't work really well at all. I even left it on for a while and it still couldn't get all of that gunk off of my stove. So the Totally Awesome oven cleaner, for me, I was not impressed. So I wouldn't recommend that you spend $1.25 on that product unless your oven isn't very dirty. But I mean, mine is dirty, but I don't think it's like, oh my God, dirty. So instead, I actually found scrub-free oven cleaner, and it says it's a 20% bonus versus the 10-ounce size. So it's 12 ounces, which is the same size as the glass cleaner. But again, that also says a 20% bonus. But I put this onto my oven and actually it worked really well. Now, it did take a little bit of time, again, because my oven is very dirty. But it actually worked really well. I didn't have to leave it on overnight, but I think the scrub-free oven cleaner worked way better than the Totally Awesome oven cleaner. I found this pink cleaning paste. It's supposed to be like the pink stuff, and it worked pretty well. So this was $1.25 versus the real pink stuff, which I got on Amazon, and this was like $6. So the pink stuff on Amazon is 17.6 ounces for $6, and the multi-purpose cleaning paste is 7 ounces for $1.25. The consistency is pretty similar to the pink cleaning paste from the Dollar Tree, but this actually did work a little bit better. But if you can find it in your area, I think it's worth it. It worked really well for cleaning the bottom pan of my shower, but the pink stuff actually worked better for getting that film off of the glass on the doors of the shower. But this is $6 versus $1.25. Now, I love the Dollar Tree squeegees. These things are wonderful. I actually have one in my shower. I really like it. But on my last outing to the Dollar Tree, I found this pine saw shower squeegee. Now, I do like that. I like that it has the roundness to it. It was $1.25. And actually, it does work just as well as the original squeegee. Either or are awesome to have at $1.25 to keep in your shower or anywhere that you're going to be using a squeegee. Now, the Dollar Tree cleaning aisle has a lot of the totally awesome products, and I bought some of their wood cleaner. It's not the spray. This is the liquid, like the squeeze bottle one. I don't use this all of the time, but if I just want to wipe off the wood products, this is what I use. I do like it, and I do think it is definitely worth $1.25. I think that this is modeled after the Method wood cleaner. It works really well too, but that is a lot more expensive. Now, the last time I went to my Dollar Tree, they had a lot of Comet products, and not just the Sprinkle Comet, but the Comet bathroom cleaners, the spray bottle ones. Now, this is a 24-ounce bottle, and I think this stuff is awesome. If you're going to buy this in the store, it's going to be a lot more money. So you get all of the benefits of the Comet in the handy-dandy little spray action. I was really excited to see my Dollar Tree having these because they are a lot more expensive when I go to even, say, Walmart to buy cleaning supplies. Now, have you seen the bathroom cleaner that comes with the little refills? They had this bathroom cleaner, and it's an empty spray bottle, but it has 2 little pouches of the cleaner. And I tell you what, I love this bathroom cleaner. I actually use it in my craft room because it works really well to clean up like the acrylic paints that might splatter onto my desktop, or basically anything that I get onto my craft desk. I love this stuff, and I really like that you get the refill pouches. That is awesome. So if you're just buying the cleaner itself, you're getting the spray bottle, but then you're also getting 2 of the pouches to make 2 bottles of cleaner for $1.25. That is a fantastic deal. And then if you have the spray cleaner, you can just buy the refill packs where you get 3, which will make you 3 bottles of cleaner for $1.25. That's a great deal. Now, not only does Dollar Tree have really great cleaning supplies, like the products that you're going to be using to clean your house, but these type of things are awesome too. This is a feather duster, and this thing is so awesome. Look at, I can bend it. So it works really well. You could put that on your fan blades, or you could use a pillow cover like I showed you in my 25 cleaning hacks video. But these are awesome. For $1.25, this is great. I actually bought something very similar to this at the home store. I think it was Home Store, and it was like $11. I think this one works just as well, if not better. And you can also attach it to a longer pole. So like if you wanted to clean like your ceilings, cobwebs and stuff like that, this works perfect. And that leads me to another item that you can buy at the Dollar Tree, which you can use for that microfiber duster. That is the handle. So for some of the tools, you do have to buy the handle separately, but this thing is great. And it is, I don't know how long that is. That's how long it is. But not only is it great because you can use it for multiple different tools that you can put on the end of this, but I've been recovering from rotator cuff surgery, and this thing is awesome to help me do my physical therapy exercises. That's why there's no tool screwed onto the end of it right now, because I have been doing my physical therapy. Can you believe it? A Dollar Tree item to do physical therapy. Look at that motion. I know. Keep my shoulder down. Stand up straight. Don't arch your back. But this handle is very nice for a lot of the different tools that you can find at the Dollar Tree. It is not super heavy duty, so I wouldn't recommend using this for like a snow shovel or anything. But for attaching tools to and doing physical therapy, it's great. And one of my favorite tools to attach to that handle is the silicone piece. I guess, I don't know, it's a broom, but I love using this silicone broom in my house. It works great for cleaning up spills. It also works really well for cleaning carpets. You can actually put a little bit of baking soda onto a carpet and then use this silicone scrub scrubber, I guess. I don't know, the silicone handle, the silicone tool attached to the handle, and you can get odors out of your carpeting. It also kind of roughs it up a bit so the carpeting doesn't look all matted down. Now, something fun that I found at Dollar Tree is this washing machine cleaner. The washing machine cleaner has 3 pouches in it, and you just open it up, put it into your washing machine, and then run it through a cycle. It will help get rid of the odors that happen in washing machines. So you get 3 pouches for $1.25. But if you go to the store, and if you can even find them, the name brands carry something like this too, but it's like $12. I would much rather spend $1.25 for 3 of them versus getting 6 for $12. That is a wonderful deal. Now, this is something new that I've seen my local Dollar Tree have, and this is the all-purpose cleaner, and I just really love the bottle. And it works just like any all-purpose cleaner does, but this says you can use it for glass, counters, tile, wood, even stone. So that makes this a truly all-purpose cleaner. It works really well, and they also have the dish soap version of this too, and that works really well too. I love that sprayer. So pretty. Okay, this is gonna sound crazy, but I love the Tide Simply Fresh and Clean. This stuff it smells so good, but I don't use it as laundry soap. But what I do is take 1 capful of the detergent and I put it into a gallon of water. Then I use it to clean my walls, my doors, door frames, anything where it's high traffic area. This stuff works so well as an all-purpose cleaner. I'm sure it works great too on laundry, but I use it to clean my house. Now, to go along with the totally awesome wood cleaning product that's just a wood cleaner, they also have the familiar aerosol version of like a furniture polish. So this would be similar to Pledge or Endust. And I think it works just as well. And this wood polish only costs $1.25, but if you're gonna buy Endust or Pledge, you're looking at spending $6 or $7. So I will gladly take the $1.25 wood polish version over the more expensive one. It works just the same. Now, I found these Scrub Buddies Wet Sweeper cleaning cloth refills. And honestly, I wanted to like these. I was so excited when I found them. But when I used them on the Dollar Tree attachment and then put it onto my handle, I wasn't that impressed. But where they lack for the floor care, they work great when I'm using my Tide cleaning solution for my walls or for my doors. These work great as cleaning cloths for that. Now, every once in a while, you can find dishwasher cleaning tablets. And these things are okay. I wouldn't say they're fantastic. I think you can get your sink and disposal just as fresh by using some baking soda and either lemons or oranges. This does have a citrus scent, but you do get 6 tablets per little hang card. So if you want to try them out, I think it's worth a try, but I think you'll get just as good, if not better, results by using some baking soda and some fruit like lemons or oranges. Or you can take a little bit of baking soda, dump that into your sink, and use a little bit of dish soap, and then run your garbage disposal, and that will get it smelling really nice too. Now, toilet bowl cleaners, there are so many different brands, but I have to say the Dollar Tree Lime Away toilet bowl cleaner, this stuff works really well. We have hard water where we live, and the hard water really builds up. And then we get a hard water ring around our toilets, but the Lime Away actually helps to break this up a little bit. So this is 16 ounces of the toilet bowl cleaner. I think that's pretty comparable to what you can find, say, at the grocery store or Walmart. But for $1.25, I know this is a much better buy, and it works really well. Okay, this is gonna sound so silly, but I like to use shaving cream when I'm cleaning. I do, but shaving cream is actually great for polishing metal surfaces. I use this on my faucets, I use it on my door handles, I use it on the switch plates, the light switch plates, and even my stainless steel trash can. It works really well. You don't use very much of it, and $1.25, and you've got a really great polish for all of your metal. So I was really excited when I saw this at the Dollar Tree. Do you know what this is? This is a cobweb cleaner, and I really wanted to like this. But when I used it to do the cobwebs like super tall in my kitchen and other places, I guess it worked okay. I just put it on the end of that Dollar Tree handle, but I got just as good results from using the microfiber duster. And every once in a while you can find some really nice like deodorizers, the wall plug-in deodorizers, like these Airwick deodorizers. So this isn't the one. I actually can't find the one that I bought, but this is a full-size Airwick one, and I think I got a package of them and they were like $9, but they had smaller versions of this at the Dollar Tree. Now I'm not really keen on the scents they have of the Dollar Tree version that fit into the plug-in warmers, but they did have the lavender scent Airwick ones, and it says that it's good for 15 days. I believe these are good for 30 days. So if you were looking for a quick little plug-in, $1.25, they have them, or you can just buy these in the big pack for about $9 or $10. But if you have a Sam's Club membership, they have them right now and they're super cheap, and you get the warmers too. And I think one of the most populous things that my Dollar Tree has is dish liquids. And they have so many different brands. I've used the Totally Awesome one before and it works really well. I actually bought some, put it on the sink at work so everybody can wash their lunchtime dishes. But I really like it when I can find the dish liquid that has the Oxy in it. It seems to work really well. Once in a while I can actually find the Dawn Platinum, and it's in this size, so like an 8-ounce size. It's not huge, but it will last forever. So if you see the Oxy Clean ones, Deep Grease Cutting Power, Ultra Palm Olive, or Dawn Platinum, this works great. The size is awesome, like if you're going to use it for an RV or camping or something, and $1.25 is super cheap. And I love all of the different multi-purpose cleaners that you can find at Dollar Tree. Right now, this one is my favorite. This is Ajax Lime with Baking Soda. And I also got some Fabuloso orange scent. Now sometimes you can find the Fabuloso orange with baking soda. They don't have that very often in my Dollar Tree, but this multi-purpose cleaner, the Ajax, the lime with baking soda, it works so well. And you can just put a regular sprayer on top of this bottle and you've got a bottle of cleaner. I like to dilute it though, so I'll take about half of the bottle and put it into an empty bottle and fill the rest of it up with water. Why have one when I can have two, right? All right, there you have it. 25 budget-friendly cleaners from the Dollar Tree. Most of these are awesome. I use them all of the time. Some of them not so much. So if I had to say ones I would not recommend, it's probably the Totally Awesome Oven Cleaner and the cleaning paste. I mean, I can take it or leave it, but if I have the pink stuff, I'm going to use that over the cleaning paste. But everything else that I bought at the Dollar Tree, a lot of it's because I've used it before, I know it works, and I've been really happy with the results. I hope that helps you to save some money with your own cleaning, and it's really fun to clean when you've got all this stuff to try out, right? So I'm gonna go clean.